It's about 4 pounds. But that's the first one for now, alright? More to come.
Yes, sir. White boy caught one. Yeah. Hey, yeah. By twos. By twos. Yeah.
Check Mr. Simon. Check out with the star.
Yeah. We have it there. Yeah. Yeah.
From Oxford in England.
You've been there? London.
Yeah, London, yeah.
Such a wakawa in the pond. Look one. Look at wakawa. First man to catch.
2-1, you catch it, 2-1?
Yeah, we there. We just end up in the pond fishing with my friends, and I decided to do a vlog. Several other people there fishing, people from England, people from all over the world. So just follow us, come here with us, see how much fish I can catch as usual, more than Gomery.
Boy, the guy's outside fishing, boy. Biggest catch.
Hold it tight.
We have white guys, we have black guys, you know. We have things.
That's why you can enter in your finger.
Oh! Sorry! Pick it up behind the head.
Yeah. Oh, yo. This way, man.
Yeah, they have like all over. Because that's the weapon. You just have to be careful with the hooks while you do it.
Yeah, yes, you know. Hold it by the head.
Because they don't want to moving along. Because they want to get survival how it's
That's the main guy there. Father Rhymes. That's Mr. Steely, the fisherman. That's the guy. Yeah.
That's me. Yeah, see the fisherman.
You doing fishing lessons right now?
Yeah, I'm giving fishing lessons right now. I've been talking over there because that's why I got some white people with me. That's my grandchildren. So I just teaching them how to fish or how to be fishing. You see,
That guy, he drop it.
yeah, he loses fish.
Yes.
Because you're too fast.
1 minute, let me just say, your name is C, right? Yeah. You're a fisherman, and right now you're doing fishing lessons. Teaching
Yeah, I'm teaching them
fish.
Yeah. Also, I'm teaching you too.
Yes, I want to learn how to catch fish.
You could see I let one go. I'm not that too fast. You have to take your time while the fish get the hook, whatever the way it's supposed to, and then you put it here, right here, and show, and then you unhook it, and then you put it in your bucket, and then afterwards you do whatever you like. Check Mr. Simon. Check out with the star.
Yeah. We have it there. Yeah.
That's a real man.
Yeah. Not Gogum. Yes, sir. White boy caught one. Yeah.
Can you do it?
You see, he's my grandson.
Yeah.
He's doing it
Got
well
one.
because I taught him how to do it, how to fish.
That's right. Big up Mr. C there.
Big up my boy.
Yes, sir. Ali kat favorite lah.
How many do you need?
Focus. You have to learn the whole process from cutting the bait, putting it on the hook, how you pull it. Everything is a process. A good thing we have the expert there, the man named C, and he's going to give me and show me everything. All right? Watch it.
I'm not coming, I'm going. You have to learn my
Come report you, man.
I focus on that guy there right now, there, Ali kat. Yeah.
One time.
Vai meter diesel do meu lado.
Não assim, calma. Mama.
Because if I go there's no one to do it for me. You have to hold my life. I have to have someone to do it.
That's also nice.
Me especially. You were young.
You said so.
Yeah. You were young.
Hey Jess, what's going on? We outside. Montgomery's putting his lock on his line. So let's see what will happen now. Yeah. Yeah.
I have to go and steal a little bit. I'll get you a little tuna. Don't get another one. I want to go make
It is.
No, it's not. Just a little portion.
Show it to us, Mr. C. What you call?
That's what we get there for now. So we got the good, you see? My grandson, my two grandson got them all.
That's right.
It's very nice.
That's them there.
Yeah.
Right there.
You can't get them much fresher though, can you?
We have in a video,
Yeah, you see that?
so you can see whatever you have to say.
Yeah.
That's it.
You're enjoying St. Lucia?
Uncle,
Yeah.
hosting me, nice and proper,
Yeah,
showing us the Lucian way.
Exactly.
That's it.
Right.
And learn this for when you go up there, for you to know how to do it when you get up there. Yeah, but
Ay, chebe yola gogom, chebe yola. Alikat gogom ana ba upana ye.
7 days a week. You don't have Sunday.
Big up Dante boy. Hi.
You have to cut the bit. Alright, like that. It's strips. See, just like how I have a leg getting cut,
That's right.
that's how you have to cut it.
Yeah, coupe.
Small hook.
So, you know, he's ready to send it, eh? Yeah, he's ready. Alikat, for a man like you, wanna hear?
Yeah, I get
Yeah, Alikat send his line.
Oh shit.
Yeah, and Bash and Dress Ridge there. Yeah, ready to work. Yes, sir. Alikat, how about you? Okay, go have one. Yes, I. Ay. Big up father run. Big up father run. He outside.
Hey
Outside.
guys,
Yeah, he got one.
monster. It's about 4 pounds, but that's the first one for now, alright? More to come.
I'm very fortunate to have the opportunity.
See, he's right there cutting a bit. How are you?
I'm good. And who are you?
Are
Sorry.
you enjoying St. Lucia?
It is beautiful.
Alright.
As are the people.
Have you been to Soufrière?
Sorry?
Have you been to Soufrière?
Yes.
See the pitons, the waterfalls, the diamond
we've
falls.
been. Jacob has taken us around most of the coast. We've been
Okay.
the east coast, the
Good,
west coast.
good.
We've been north. We've been south.
Alright, good. Enjoy.
We have. Thank you very
Yes,
much.
you're welcome.
The people have been so friendly and kind.
Yes, of course.
And that's how it is. That's how
Hello,
it is.
hi.
Sorry.
My name is Cap.
Bob.
Bob.
Yes.
You from where, Bob?
I'm from Oxford in England.
Oxford. I love England. Been to England.
You've been there?
London.
Yeah, London, yeah.
So you enjoy fishing here?
Well, yeah, I'm not really a fisherman, but I've come here to meet some nice people like Steve. Yeah, Steve. It's lovely.
Alright, so I'm doing this vlog. It's called Lucian Vlogs, and it's featured on YouTube, where we feature areas like that with Vieux-Fort Fishing Pond, how beautiful the place is, how lovely that welcome. We call here the pond, the fishing pond. Your first time?
Yes, first time here. Second time to St. Lucia. My daughter married Jacob, so she married at St. Lucia. So we came here 7 years ago for the wedding, and now we come back, and it's as lovely as ever. And the people are so kind, and the staff is so well. We've been all around, it's so lovely.
It's nice meeting you, bro.
And you, pleasure.
That's right. Simon get 10 on them. 10. Yeah, 10. Yeah. Yeah. Go my 15. Go my 15 right there. Yeah, look it right there.
No, we finished. How we finish? We enjoying fishing. We can even use that itself.
There's a fish on the floor.
We can even use that.
Oh, look, there's one bit red.
You're wrong for that. How am I girl? I line if you want. Yeah, outside fishing, guys. Everybody's fishing. Yeah. Everybody's outside fishing, enjoying the weather, you know. Cat, what you have? You have nothing, man. You are going to feed the fish, or what? Sure.
Don't worry, I will change my line just now. I will do a drop line.
Yeah, Simon. Yeah. Simon with the diamond. Yeah. Yeah.
And the cameraman is on camera.
That's the guy there, Martinez.
And the cameraman feel a lot.
Uh-huh.
Very feel.
That's the guy there, that's the guy there.
If you put them on in the vlog is right here.
Yeah, that's the guy.
For sure.
Yeah. He'll get somebody, he'll get a white girl. Yeah.
So, hey.
Hey, yeah. By twos. By twos. Yeah. Twos. That's the guy, that's the guy. Saba bom la. C'est bom la bom? That's the guy, Martinez.
Needles, you got scissors, you got plaster, you got whatever. Like you got the toolbox.
Yes, got one.
If something happens to
That's a upa sola alicat. We make the camera low. Alicat just been sweep poison upon la. There's a lot of fishermen in the pond today, you know, a lot. Hey, Alicat caught something. Yeah, Alicat caught one. Maps they show eh? Alicat chebe, but
have a real bag. How about you have a real bag?
We has. I recording too. If you cannot do it.
You guys off, Vinny. We're gonna let go.
Stop taking people's fish.
You want this fish at all?
Yeah, on that side of the beach, we're gonna be having a party on Saturday right there.
That's
We
right.
call it Los Poissons.
That's
Yeah.
right. Lost and
Girls
found.
up in a bikini.
That's right.
Put up all the nyash and there.
I'm coming, just now.
Money on a
Big up cat. Big up cat. Fry dry.
dry fry. Yeah. Dry
Yes,
fry. That's fish number 12. How about you belly now? I'll pass line for.
Don't worry. Maybe go to bad guy. We'll have a pumpkin glow. Yes, sir. Alikat, I think my boat is coming, you know. So you know you have to change. That's right.
Yeah, we'll head off. Although he's going to get more bait.
Yeah. Big up, Gogom. Gogom on them. Here's love. We have the ital and the
all the time.
yeah,
You got the
love.
downs 2 for 5, the cakes 2 for 5, you get a dollar juice 2 for 5 also. Everything 2 for 5, but the burger $7. The alien burger $7. You don't like it, your money back. Guarantee. I'm out.
Every fun of them, eh?
You got shovel on the woods there. Cat. I gotta go, my boat is coming. It's coming.
Vous pouvez d'abord vous avant. Rome. Venez Rome. That's a full one. Oui, mon international down. Je vais demander à mon liban. I want it. Ah! Ah! Ah,
What you met? You see, that's a nice catch you got. Nice catch.
Huh? Oui, man. So I triple so là.
It's best. You can pick him up.
You have to hold it firmly.
Yeah, and underneath is better than the other side. They're only spikes from the top. Wow.
Oi! Come in.
Have we run out of bait yet?
Vieux-Fort Fishing Complex. Oh, no, it is boy. What boy? You don't nice.
It's almost finished, yeah. You know it's there already. Think cover. Like 15 dila. Look, the fisherman just come from see there. They can style their fish.
You can say last one.
Yeah, I know people get started. They have a big center. That side there. Yeah, as you see there, they have a big set there somewhere there.
I see the boy that.
You got one. Ah, you missed it.
Watch it now. No, one coming in.
All right.
Supporters.
That's my bucket.
Go on black cat still. We see down in the thing he catching. The element of 7. Yeah boy, cat have one there boy. Simon have one also. So all the cat are free now. Simon 2. Gogom not. Yeah boy, all the time alley cat have a bucket private there boy. One thing is alley cat. You have a bucket private there boy. This is free fish alley cat have boy. Oh, it's Simon bucket. Wrong info. Simon bucket. All the time this is cat but it's Simon.
Yeah, fish and chips.
One bucket.
Oh, it's one bucket and I put it in the same bucket.
One Vieux-Fort.
One Vieux-Fort.
One Vieux-Fort. Look at the camera waiting there. What are we
The fish that splash in the bucket. Small thing. Combination. Boy, today the fish eating boy. And cat going in water now.
Fish fingers, yeah. In batter.
17 for 5.
17 for 5. All the time cat have a next bucket, the private boy.
Double bucket.
Yeah. Tuna, I think, is my favourite.
First man to catch a wakawa in the pond. Look one. Look at wakawa. First man to catch.
Tuna one, you catch a tuna one?
And in the, before we start, I was going to get out and say it.
Yeah, that's small wakawa. Baby wakawa.
I did catch 2 one time. Hey, man, boy, man, easy no style. Place to be. Vieux-Fort Fishing Complex. Place nice and sweet. Go on with that 14 hours. I see you put out one road there. You're changing your lock. I can give me the boy.
Thank you very much.
You're all welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you. I love you.
You've looked after us very well.
I love you.
Thank you.
Let's full join the vibe.
Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah, man.
Yeah, love is love.
All right, before I go. Yeah. And make sure you come back to St. Lucia.
Well,
Anytime you have a chance.
if Jacob allows.
He will. I'll make him do all
One thing, boy, the camera zoom in 5 boy.
Simon give up in the first round. Simon always giving up in the second round. Not that I'm talking about you. Which one? All you got? Hey. Simon, they are give up.
Yeah, you?
Yeah.
What makes you feel that
boss. You look must be a giver. Simon, I feel it.
Cat just lose one there. Yeah man, it's sun great in Lucia. Beautiful heavens. Yeah man. Hold us in Lucia, eh? Vieux-Fort is the best. Yeah, we're going to finally catch one. It's cutting the bait. We put on the hook. Put on both hook on them.
Not true Simon, not true Simon. Not true Simon.
Or you can have two hooks on one line. That's the Zoffy. Oui, oui. Oui, il les zoom là. Oui.
Ça va avec lui là.
Ah oui. Il y a les cat. I can just two long shots.
Ah, I want to come in days ago.
Yeah man.
Double those balls.
I can see on the dose ball, yeah, one fish. Dose ball. Very place sweet. Fishing complex right here. Ice machine. Allez, got one boy.
Allez, boy.
Belle pousse ça, la cat.
Let him go.
Let him go. Cat say he's not one, he's those ball. No, big up Rastafari there, you know? And the whole of fish freeze. Last Vieux-Fort. The place sweet, it's nice. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
He's back at it again.
Me come for feed the fish them, you know. Feed me come for feed them, you know. But so it's set, you know, bro.
Binla. You are there about
Changing location. You see a dolphin there. And now you catch a dolphin that small line.
Monster.
No breakfast, no lunch, no supper food. So his plates and his cups are covered.
Need some bait.
Putih ada tabla lah.
We ada nylon blur. You want a rod la to kill your zedeng. Rod lagi ate abola. Rod lagi ada tabla. Oh. Champion.
I give my side.
Ano ko Simon? Mama bet.
Yeah, boy, Simon back at it again, boy. The 14 pound.
Yeah. Features of man.
A boat is entering right now. Go home. Before Winnie. No, this is Ali cat right here. Don't forget. Simon can send himself up.
Yeah, small one still, you know, but
Yeah.
I just say
One
half a
cocoa fully
loaf.
basket.
Yeah, one cocoa, you know. Big up Simon that dive was still.
Hey. Simon is back at it again. The master.
Sticking up.
Oh boy, Gogom going sky high. Gogom going sky high. And the fish is at it again. You see the alley cat in the black hole, boy. Look at fish.
Many life there, yeah.
That's how you clean a cow.
Best cleaners around.
Yeah, best cleaner around. Until you come to Vieux-Fort, the fishing pond, let's ask for Robert. Best cleaner.
Robert,
Yeah, man.
Put that on the fish crusher. One of the fish crusher.
They say that man is a fish crusher. He's young, he's learning. I love that for him.
He will never be better.
He will get better. He's cleaner a cow.
Put it on cheddar cheese for me. Put that on the gates. Look the gates here in the bag. The gates.
So it's happening. I hung. Clean and slice. Only $5, $10, $20. Right here. In the dolphin, so $10. Okay?
Cameraman, focus. Right? Yo. Catching cow and thing in the pond, catch, cook and clean. Later on we're going to clean it and fry it and eat it with some bread. We'll see how that works, alright? What's up?
It's a tip. Cat say in a rape. You catch fish.
One coming soon, yeah? More for those ballers actually out there. Awesome. Hey, mama. Let's go on. Hold. Big show ka record book la record gom real.
Huh?
Big show mo di la ipachi do yen pour ipachi.
Hey. One knot you guys are going.
Yeah, one knot. It's a record.
One knot, you will see. One knot.
So bad we can wash it, but we can't.
Only bomb six sala what I get Ben Simon way.
This is rough,
Sister, that's $20.
Because it's up on it. Now we catch it. What? Now we catch it now. Hey. Excuse me language man. Like what day? Like what a double shot darling. 2 in 1. See them there? Kawang.
Yes, and you know, we have us here.
No vlog.
And I'm out. Hitting the road. Love is love. I can get one again. Yeah, boy, I think Alicat is in the lead right now.
Huh?
He's hitting the feelings.
Yes.
Simon have the biggest catch for now. Alicat is in the lead.
Lucian vlogs, yeah? Vlogs, Lucian vlogs, and with a V. Like
Lucian vlog make it well and it's swell and tell, just like Vibes Cartel. Lucian vlog swell.
what's up, original Chopos today representing for Father Rhymes. It's all about Lucian vlogs. Get it right, okay?
Yes, sir.
All kind of vibes. Lucian vlogs, buddy. Okay. Oh, Lucian vlogs. Okay. Chopos today end us down there. Hello.
Yo massive one, this is your boy Moto representing Lucian Vlogs, Alicat, music, vibes, drama, music. You all support him, so you don't know Moto there.
Yeah, you don't know, this is the one and only black boy. Straight out of St. Lucia, big up Lucian vlogs. But better, outside in the big up Alicat.
Yo, this is Remote picking up Lucian Vlogs. Hit them with the wire.